For anyone who's having trouble filling out the Google form that I posted for this week's assignment, you can just go like this and go to the Google form. And you'll go through this process. You'll answer the questions and you'll watch the first video. And you go to the next section. Oh, see, I made that required. You go to the next section. You have to fill that out though. Watch the video here and then answer the question here. So if you watch this video and then you decide that the answer here, the thing that sounds the most interesting to you is digital art, that's fine. Select that and say next. Watch the video, answer the questions. That's all it is. Right here, it's going to ask for a photo upload. So it says take a photo of something that uses line to enhance the design. So you've watched the video, you understand why line makes the design good. And then I want you to upload the picture, and it's worth 5 points, right? So you click add file, get something out of your device there, and maybe upload your. Right there, you can see it goes. And now I've definitely uploaded this picture. And the second thing under here, also worth 5 points, tells me to write an answer to the question. Right? As you carry on, there are 9 sections. This is episode 3 of this series. Throughout watching this video, you're going to learn about monochromatic, analogous, complementary, triadic colors, and you're going to actually have to choose an answer from the drop-down. Each of those is worth 2. As you carry through all of these, you'll have some more uploads to do, some more questions to answer, and when you get finished, you're not going to get your results right away, unfortunately. I'm going to have to grade some of this personally, looking at the photographs, checking the written answers. But you're going to go through, and the last piece here is about typography. And when you finish that last upload and add the file, like I showed you, answer your question like I showed you, you'll submit it. When you hit submit, it comes to me, and then I have to go through and evaluate what you've written and evaluate the photographs you've added. It's going to be out of a total, I believe, of 68 points. So I will have to do a little math and figure out how that calculates on a 100% scale. And then after I've graded all of them, I will put your grade back into the Google Classroom. Okay, but if you hit submit and you see back over here in the classroom that it says you haven't submitted it yet, don't worry about that. It's just a little kink that I haven't worked out yet, okay? If you hit the submit button after you hit submit like this, it'll tell you your answers have been submitted. Slowly. As long as you see your response has been recorded, I have it, okay? That's all you need to do for this week. Next week, I'll put up something very similar, similar from the perspective of the content and the requirements, and I might put up a smaller question. So this will be like a bigger grade, and then the other question will be kind of a smaller grade, because we have to do 2 grades a week. So hopefully this helps you figure it out. Good luck.